ki khubor ka bate si TV. Lawan Rashapi taka Frank Motors. Booking open for the new Nexon. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
MIT University of Meghalaya. Our admissions are now open for the academic year 2024-25. Explore our best courses. Experience global collaborations. Apply today.
Hi. All the best.
Ki argon ki Kyrteng MP na turasid ki bayakon hakini ki election MP lalit ben Thep Kyrteng yaladi mentagasngi hakmat returning officer ubaderu UDC jang West Garo Hills District. Kidi ki argon ki Kyrteng ki kinthop yak Agatha ke sangma na National People Party baru Saleng sangma ubadena ka Party Congress. Kumbala bansaki yak Agatha ke sangma la Synran lang daga Kmie jongka menteri rang ba ke jela konra ke sangma ubaderu uhin mentra jongka Uba Preston Tensong nalor ki Menteri Sarkar ki berena ke NPP. Katbaya Saleng sangma lasaki ya ke jing Synran lang da ke Menteri Sarkar berim ke Deborah marak bat haringkat bagi nongilam jang ke Parti Kongres nari Lom Garo.
I, Srimati Agatha K. Sangma, having been nominated as a candidate to fill a seat in the House of the People, do swear in the name of God that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as by law established, and that I will uphold the sovereignty and integrity of India.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Well, place your papers, ma'am. All this. Thank you so much.
NPP! NPP! NPP!
Feel that Yachangde issues the Mamungba like a major dungja which opposition is trying to talk about, and that is why Nangai Nangjay Matam Katharangko Jana Pinga. But even I feel that this election is more about continuing on the path of development. And I feel that because NPP has given such a, in these 6 years, wonderful performance in its governance, and me being a member of the NPP and being a member of parliament belonging to the NPP, it is a teamwork, and Mandirang Angna Puna Ode, it's a sign that the team and the entire NPP is something that is accepted by the people.